If you want to create a game characters without being a pro artist, AI tools make it super easy. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Pick an AI art generator that supports character design. Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or Stable Diffusion are the most popular, or you can use Nano Banana of Gemini. Step 2. Write a clear prompt. Don't just say warrior character. Instead, describe it as cyberpunk warrior, armored suit, glowing blue visor, realistic style for a game render. The more specific you are, the better the result. Step 3. Once you get your character images, refine them. Most tools let you upscale for higher resolution or tweak small details while inpainting. Step 4. If you need your character in 3D, use AI to 3D platforms like Meshi or Scenario. Let it turn that 2D concept into a usable 3D model for Unity or Unreal. Finally, import your model into your game engine, add animations, and you've got a playable AI-built character. AI can save weeks of design work, you just need strong prompts and a bit of polishing. Thank you so much for watching, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.